Good morning, students. Today I was having a random discussion with my wife about the patients she see on everyday basis as a psychiatrist, and she talked about a lot of patients who come up with personality disorder, suicidal attempts, even students who have frequent anxiety attacks. So I, being very curious about everything, started searching about why we are always thinking about our future. And there are so many astonishing books and researches I found on this particular topic. In fact, there is a book that I highly recommend everyone, that is Stumbling on Happiness by Daniel Gilbert, which talks about the scientific ways to stay happy. So I learned that it's the frontal lobe. This frontal lobe causes us to think about future. All the anxiety, depression is caused due to the frontal lobe on the brain. Okay, so on an average we think about 3 hours every day about our future. Millions of years ago, frontal lobe was not evolved, so that's why our ancestors used to live a happy life. But now, after millions of years, this frontal lobe has evolved so much that we are always thinking about our future, what it gives us very much pleasure. Like, we are very happy when we imagine ourselves cracking the examination, becoming successful teacher, getting government job. And if something happens that is quite opposite to our expectations, that we feel very much depressed. This frontal lobe start putting negative thoughts for future, so we get anxious, depressed whenever the thoughts of future are uncontrollable. So if we can control something, we are very happy. If we cannot control something, we are very much unhappy, and we start spreading toxicity all around. So as you are waiting for your UGC-NET answer key, I highly suggest you to unfold the future by itself. Do not try to look into the future. Okay, the more you try to look into the future, the more you allow your mind to take control over you. So every YouTuber is doing the predictions here on YouTube. Everyone has now become a fortune teller. The so-called guru, the best teacher on YouTube, is not an educator now, but he has become a weather forecaster, news reporter. Frankly, I'm into this competitive examination and education field for now 5 years. I do not know the next step of NTA NET. The weather forecaster also do not know about what NTA is going to do. Not even NTA knows what is going to unfold in the future, because NTA has group of people, the real people like you and me, who are sitting into the NTA panel. They are also unsure about what they are going to do, what they are going to decide, and how they are going to release the answer key, just because a lot of cheating cases are coming in front of. So that's why they are delaying everything. So take some days off, relax, or get yourself in doing something productive. Things will not happen according to what we expect. It happens the way it has to happen. Alright, if it aligns with our expectation, then it is all good. If it does not align with our expectation, do not take it that on your ego, and you can start preparing once again for NTA NET examination or any other competitive examination in the future. Alright, so let's start studying once again and make our careers in the subject we are always passionate about. I will see you soon in the next video. That's it for this. Thank you.